All right, from cleaning your microwave in a flash to grilling inside without the smoke, Christina Daves has the coolest kitchen gadgets to try today. Good morning.
Hi there.
All right.
All right.
I was just talking about the fact that I've got guacamole in my fridge right now that's going brown.
Yes.
And you've got the perfect remedy for this.
Perfect. And I want to shout out to people who send me stuff. So my friend Karen sent me this. This is called Guac Lock. And what you do, I made this last night.
Okay.
Because we talked about it. Guacamole, you make it, you eat it.
Yes.
You don't have any
You
time.
can't keep it overnight. No kidding.
Look at that.
So it really does work.
You put your guacamole in here, and the trick is, they call it the elevator. So you're pushing all the air out.
Okay.
And then this is brand new for them. Then you can just serve it.
Perfect.
Isn't that great?
Okay, so the Guac Lock.
Guac Lock.
Okay.
This is from OXO. They're one of my favorites. They have
Same.
the greatest products
Yeah.
ever. So this is a 3-blade hand spiralizer. So you can
Okay.
see I've done these. It's super easy to store. So 3 different kinds.
Oh, wow.
Yep. And then
Because usually a spiralizer, I mean, it's like a big
It's a
contraption that
yeah.
takes up space on your countertop.
So you just put it on. You can see I was playing earlier, but it's that easy.
How simple. Okay,
Yeah.
and 3 different
3 different types of
blades. Okay,
Yeah.
all right, very cool.
Okay, this is awesome. So we talked about you like to cook too.
Yes.
How often do you have to stir something?
Yes.
And you've got to do something else.
Right, so you're like leaning over while
Yeah.
trying to stir.
So this is stir time.
Okay. Oh, no way. You can just leave it in there.
And it has a timer and it has 4 different speeds.
And it does all the work for
All
you.
the work for you. Isn't this great?
Oh my gosh.
So
Okay,
4
no more
speeds.
lumpy gravy,
No.
ever.
Isn't that great?
Okay, cool.
Okay, so these are really great for straining things. So this is snap and strain, obviously very smart.
Okay.
So you're doing your pasta, you don't have to get a colander dirty. So you just,
How simple. Oh,
And there
no,
goes the
sorry.
table.
That's okay. I got it. But it shows, I mean, it shows you how simple it is that you can do it leaning over like that to show.
Right. And then this is great. This is handy pan. So it's a regular frying pan, or you push it up. There's your strainer. So it strains it right out for you.
Okay, that's awesome.
Isn't that brilliant?
Yes.
So, and this is an attorney
handy
who
pan.
invented this. I thought that was
An
so
attorney?
great. An attorney.
Okay.
Yeah. But so you get all the grease out, and they said they've tested it, and it takes more of the grease out of the pan than if you just drain it
Okay.
yourself.
All right, so it makes it a little healthier too. All right,
Okay.
what is this Mac Daddy?
Power smokeless grill. We weren't sure that this was going to work. My husband and I made steaks in the kitchen the other night. Searing steaks, 450 degrees, no smoke.
How?
And they tasted. So underneath all of this, this is the grill component. There's a water. You put 2 cups of water in there.
Okay.
So I think that's, I mean, I'm not an
Okay,
engineer, but I
all
think
right.
that's what sucks everything down.
Oh, neat.
So this is, and we were just with some friends last night that live in an apartment. They can't grill.
Right.
So they're gonna go.
This is
get their
perfect.
grill.
Now you don't have to stink up your whole house or your whole apartment.
I know, it's great.
All right.
And
What's Angry Mama?
Angry Mama. This is for cleanup.
Okay.
So you put, and it's marked in the back, you put vinegar and then you fill it up with water. You put her in your microwave for 5 minutes. Her head kind of doesn't blow off.
Her head
but
explodes.
It steams, and then you just wipe out your microwave.
No
So it's a fun
kidding.
way to clean.
Angry Mama.
Angry
I love
Mama.
that.
Yep.
It's just a vinegar and water
Just
mixture?
vinegar and water.
Okay.
No, a little,
a
it
little
has
of both.
markings, yeah.
Okay.
So you do vinegar to here, water to the top, put her head back on, stick
Very
her in
cool.
the microwave.
Put her head back on. How cool. Okay, so
Yeah.
where can folks find all of these cool gadgets?
Guac Lock is their own. This is Uncommon Goods. This is the grommet.
Okay.
And then again, this you can just Google the Power Smokeless Grill.
Okay.
Handy pan.
So simple.
And I have them all on
OXO.
my website.
Okay.
Yeah, on OXO, ChristinaDaves.com, and we list all the products and links to them.
All right, hopefully this will make cooking a little easier.
Yes.
Christina